Okay, so I've taken the window out, and now we're going to put a bead of silicone around it. And if you've never used a silicone gun before, basically that is your silicone, and there's usually a little notch in here. They can clip the top off, and then you want to use the needle end to go through, and then basically just poke a hole in that, and then you want to load it like this first, and then in, and then line up your track. I think I got the right way. There we go. Line up your track, and then you can start squeezing, and then your silicone will start coming out. There's your bead right there. And then on the back of the window, this makes a pretty flush joint, so I would just go down the sides, especially right where the screws are. And let me put a pair of gloves on because this does get messy. Make sure you make it pretty good at the corners. Then always make a really good bead at the top. Okay, let's squeeze this in. If any squirts out, just kind of clean around the edges. And then let me go get the screws, but I have one here. So that makes a nice tight seal. Let me get the rest of the screws and put them all the way around.